Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like a couple months worth of time, it's actually just the past several days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame. It does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Friendly reminder, Bitcoin is open 24/7. So, with that in mind, if you're watching this video 15, 20 hours after I upload it, then yeah, the chart's going to look a little bit different for you. But my goal here from the presentation standpoint is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible. And I'm going to do that by just talking about more so general levels and then walking you through some questions. And based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate, the current status of the chart. So the first update that needs to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. And the first question you need to ask, let's just use that 10-hour number. Let's say you're watching this video 10 hours after I upload it. Question number one, nothing fancy, nothing complicated, just simply becomes, okay, well, where's the price currently at relative to 8,100? If you're answering the question that the price is still down below 8,100, then essentially nothing has really changed that much, from when I'm recording the video right now. Of course, to an extent, meaning if you're saying that, yes, Clay, the price is still currently down below 8,100, the next question you want to immediately ask yourself is, okay, well, where's the price at relative to 7,800? And if you're saying, well, Clay, the price is still up above that level, at that point, okay, yeah, sure, the price could have maybe pulled back a little bit more, but it's not like everything is totally wrecked or the wheels have fallen off the bus or anything like that. So keep that in mind. Those are going to be the two main levels that you're going to want to focus on immediately upon, watching the chart here. Now, a little bit of common sense comes into place here when it comes to 7,800. I mean, if you're saying, well, Clay, the price is actually down below 7,800, that now becomes a question of, okay, well, how far below? If you're saying, well, Clay, the price is, right around here. Don't get me wrong. That's not a good thing, but that's much different than the price all of a sudden being all the way down here, let's just call it 7,500. In that situation, that would imply that this current movement here has just built that much more momentum to the downside. But so again, like I said, from that angle of things, common sense, gut instincts will take you far. Same with right here at 8,100, meaning if you're saying, well, Clay, I'm watching it right now and the price is, slightly up here. Don't get me wrong, that's definitely a good thing. That means this downward move has at least gone sideways enough and recovered enough to get back up above that level of resistance. But if you're saying, well, Clay, actually it's up here at 8,400, that would be telling you that basically this movement here was totally a false move, meaning the price has moved back. Now all of a sudden the price has totally recovered back upwards. That would be a very bullish situation. So the further up above 8,100 the price may be, the more bullish it is. The further down below 7,800 the price may be, the more bearish it is. And that's what I mean by, gut instincts, common sense will take you far in that regard. But definitely over the next 24 hours before I'm back to update the chart again, 8,100, 7,800 are definitely the two key primary levels to watch. So let's see how this one continues to play out. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.